Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Wi-Fi driver. So first open any browser, Google search box to type like that HP OmniBook Ultra 15 14. Okay, and Google search box. After that you can see hp.support.com, this official website. So click on it. So guys, driver download only from the official websites. Okay, so by default it will detect the Windows 11. Okay, so it's writes OS and it will come different and you are using, so you can select it. Okay, scroll down, then you can see extract the network. Okay, network, and this is wireless means this is Wi-Fi. Okay, wireless VLAN WLAN, this is a okay, and click to download. After that it will start downloading in the download box. It's 24.6 MB, so it will download very fast. Okay, if this system same system in internet is not working, so you can download driver any other system and then you can share in this laptop, and then you can install it. Okay, so it is completed. It's just a single click to open after the downloaded, and you if other system to share it, then open, then click to, you can see wireless LAN, then click to next, I accept, then next. Okay, next. Now it is installing, and after that restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.